Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning. I hope you are doing fantastic. Well, my name's Abdul Qayyum. You may call me Qayyum. Address. Originally, I am from Mymensingh, but right now I live in Uttara, Sector 12. To be more exact, I have been living there for 3 years. I have been living there since my childhood. Really, it's a nice place for living. Profession, I am a student, private university in Bangla. I am a student. I have done my SSC exam. Right now, I am waiting for my result. Also, I am a student at Rahas English Care. Because I would like to improve my English. There are 5 members in my family. My parents, 2 brothers, and myself. Really, we are a very happy family because we love one another. My father is a businessman. He is very kind and honest. Also, he has a great personality. On the other side, while my mother is a housewife, but she is loving and caring person. Also, she is a hardworking person. I like reading books, watching movies, traveling. Among these, I like traveling a lot. It makes me happy. I don't like wasting time, backbiting, scrolling Facebook, because time is very valuable. I have different types of favorite things. My favorite food is biryani. It is very tasty and popular food in our country. My favorite color is red and white. White is the symbol of purity. I want to be a good person as well as a good teacher. Right now, I'm learning English at Rahas English Care. Then I will join IELTS course. After getting good band score, I will go abroad for my higher education. Thank you very much for listening to me. Assalamu alaikum.